your love is like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go.
Hi guys, welcome to this week's weigh-in update. I'm forgetting what week it is. Is it week 6? Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, I didn't film yesterday. Today is Saturday. It sounds very Halloween here. Yeah, today is Saturday, so I didn't film yesterday. I was rubbish, I'm so sorry. But obviously, start of the week was yesterday. And we had someone leave at work, so there was a buffet yesterday. I did indulge a little bit, so that means I'm going to have to be super good for the rest of the week. Otherwise, I'm going to end up putting on this week. So, very hard, I know. So anyway, so that was yesterday. And the light's just gone, and that's it, you're back. Yeah, so yesterday, yeah, buffet. So I had a couple of little sandwiches, and there was some, everything's just like brown, isn't it? So everything's probably naughty. So I did have that, and then for tea last night, I felt so tired as well, so I just had a naked noodle, which I think was 2 sins. And that was about it, really. I had my usual, like, breakfast, which was Weetabix. Now this morning I've got up, I've had Weetabix for breakfast because I've been out and had my nails redone. I was actually late, so I just had to have an infill instead of a soak off and an infill. Sorry, a soak off and a new set. So that kind of didn't go to plan because I didn't sleep that well because I was sneezing in the night. So I'm still tired then, I guess, as you can see from the bags under my eyes. But anyway, today is mine and Sam's anniversary, so we're out for food later. So I'm going to have to be careful what I choose. And then we're going to the cinema, and obviously I picked him up a couple of treats as well to eat, because obviously buying stuff in the cinema is so expensive. So generally trying not to do that. I obviously can't have any of that, so hopefully I'll fill up at tea time on the food. I've just had a little snack as well now because it is 1:45. I've just had a little bar, I just had a 501 bar, so they're 3 sins. Are they 4 sins? Oh, I forget, you know, honestly. I'm going to have to keep looking it up. So anyway, look what Sam got me for my anniversary. How cute are they? Very nice, I know. So also what I wanted to show you is one of my hauls. I picked up this lovely little container. Now this was from Poundland. It was £1. Nice big container. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to put all of my little goodies at the minute. I'll just move this washing out of the way. At the minute, all my goodies are kind of just thrown in here. Can you see this? So I've got like I've got a bit of everything here. So what I wanted to do is get rid of all the packaging and put everything in my little box. So I'm going to take all this out because I've just got boxes of all sorts of stuff. Look at this. Freddos, Alpens, that's mine as well, and then we've got some crisps there at the back. So I'm going to take all these and pop them in my box. This is everything that I've got to go in, so I'm literally, I think there's only like one thing in here, so may as well tip it out into here. So, difficult to do this one-handed, I will try. Oh. 2, get rid of that. Got my 3 Freddos. These are my Viscounts. They can go in. And we've got these ones. Those ones, which are the Cherish Me Chalk Orange, which are very nice. Then we've got Rocky Road, which I love. Aren't coming out. Not very good with one hand here. Rocky Roads. Then I've got the salted caramel, which I'm going to put in there. Then we've got the Alpen. And then these, these are actually just twisted up because you can only have one at any one time. So I stick them in there as well, twisted, so that they stay fresh. And I gave the other packet. Oh, there's a spare one in here. There's another Viscount. There's a Viscount, so I'll get rid of that. So there we have my goodie box of goodies. So yeah, so everything's organised in one place and I know exactly how much I've got. So yeah, not bad for £1 from Poundland, so brilliant. So anyway, I will catch you up later or maybe tomorrow. Morning guys, it's Sunday. We're having the usual, which is our Slimming World breakfast. It consists of 1 piece of toast for my healthy option B, and then we've got eggs, bacon cooking, that's the rineless kind, and then we've also got hash brown. Well, I've got one because you're going to count that as 2 sins, and spaghetti, which I know a few of you have mentioned you have to sin now. That is so sad that you have to sin that, because that used to be free. So yeah, we're going to count that as 1 as well. So yeah, so that's breakfast. So that is how many sins? So 2, 3, and a little bit for the butter. We'll call it 4 just to be safe. 4 sins today. Yeah, so yesterday obviously didn't carry on filming, but we went out for our anniversary dinner, and obviously it was a little bit stodgy, I suppose. So yesterday was completely off plan. Friday was off plan because of the buffet at work, so I need to get back on it today. Otherwise I'm not going to see the results on Thursday. So at the minute I'm feeling kind of doubtful. I really need to try and claw it back over the next few days. So I'll touch base with you tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Tuesday today. This morning I had my usual Weetabix. And I have been pretty good most of the day. Set off this morning though with the worst day actually. As soon as I got out of bed, I mean, I say it was a good day. It was an okay day, but it kind of set off really stupidly horrible, to the point where I dropped all my fruit and yogurt all over the floor. Yeah, and it continued to get like that throughout the rest of the day. So I ended up having a piece of cake this afternoon, which I know was really bad, but it was somebody's birthday and I wanted to treat myself because I was feeling sorry for myself, so I had some cake. Now we've just had tea, which was something that I cooked yesterday. It was the hoisin sauce that you can buy from Slimming World, the Iceland Slimming World range, and then I just put some chicken and some onions and some peppers with it yesterday, and I kind of made tea yesterday, so we just had to put a bit of rice with it, and we had some leftover like veggies and stuff from yesterday's roast, because obviously I didn't show you that, but yesterday we had a roast as well. So I think I've been on plan apart from the cake. So I'm quite full now, and I might have a little bit of fruit actually, but that's about it. I'm not really hungry and I didn't quite finish my tea, so yeah, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully it will be a better day when I get up tomorrow, so I'll catch you all tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Tuesday today. Not feeling that confident at the moment. I went on the scales before. It wasn't good, so whether my scales are out, and they well could be, that means I could have easily put on, according to those scales, about £4. How is that possible? I don't think it is. Something's wrong. Maybe they're wrong. Anyway, so that's kind of disheartened me, and I know I shouldn't step on the scales here. So I'm just having breakfast, my usual Weetabix. I'm going to try and keep it light today, so I'm just having soup. I'm going to have a load of fruit. And tonight I'm going to keep it quite light, so I'm going to have a jacket potato with a pulled pork burger, that's only 1 sin, and then just a shitload of veg. So I'm going to try and sort of cut down on the sins as well, because this is making me feel crap. I mean, I just seem to have this hump every week. What the hell's going on? And now I got on the scales, it's like, right, I'll see you later. Hi guys, it is Tuesday, so I've tried to be super good today because, as you probably saw from the earlier clip, I weighed myself this morning and I wasn't impressed with what I saw, although I can't guarantee that my scales are accurate. Yeah, because so today I've had 2 sins for lunchtime, no more sins today, apart from tonight when I went to the Narborough Hall gift shop preview opening of all the Christmas presents, like Christmas gifts and things. With the ticket that I had, you get a free glass of Prosecco, which I know is 5 sins, and you get 1 little tiny truffle chocolate. So I've only had 2 sins, so I saved the rest of the sins for the Prosecco and the chocolate. So I've had no more sins today because for tea I had jacket potato with some cheese, but that was one of my healthy option A's. I used this morning's A, the other A this morning on milk, and B on Weetabix. So I used that up, and I had some veg with it, loads of veg, and some Linda McCartney sausages, which are free. So I've had no more sins. So I'm thinking, how many for the truffle? Should we say 2 for the truffle? It was tiny. So 5, 6, 7, 9 sins altogether. And sorry, I had 1 Baby Bell as well, so we'll count that 1.5. 10.5 sins today, so not bad. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to claw it back for Thursday. Why do I feel like this in the middle of the week? I always seem to have this like hump day where I think I'm going to do really rubbish or something, and then obviously last week I maintained. So, you know, I just don't know. Just sometimes you just don't feel like you're losing weight, but it kind of comes off, doesn't it? So anyway, I'll touch base with you tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Thursday today. It's weighing day. I think I was AWOL yesterday. Yeah, I've had the toughest week at work. Yeah, so I think I forgot to film yesterday, but it was a steady old day, you know, nothing really happening. Weetabix in the morning. What did we have for tea? God, I can't even remember. Oh, we had an omelette for tea with some Slimming World chips, so that was all good. Lunchtime, I think I did have a sandwich because I was having a stressful day, which was 20 cents, so that's not the best. I've had a few ups and downs this week. Obviously Friday, I think I might have mentioned it in an earlier clip, was somebody's leaving party, so we had a buffet. Then Saturday we had our engagement. Not engagement, we're not engaged. We had our anniversary dinner, so obviously went out for dinner, and then it was someone's birthday, so I had a piece of cake, and then I went to the gift shop and had some on Tuesday and had a glass of Prosecco and a chocolate, and yesterday I had the sandwich, but I'm pleased to say I lost £0.5 pound. So yeah, and that's not too bad after all the things this week. Now, I haven't got anything happening now. I'm not going out anywhere. I'm not doing anything. I should be totally on plan this week now, so I'm hoping for a huge loss. I'm hoping for my half stone next week. I'm definitely getting my half stone next week. So yeah, all on plan this next week. All good. So yes, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!